Hey guys, I wasn't going to make a video today, but I got a very interesting package in the mail, and I wanted to show you guys because it's relevant to a lot of the other videos I post, obviously, about beach cleaning. And that is, of course, here, as you can see, a TED box. So, just to briefly summarize, last summer I was doing a reading at a conference from a guidebook of mine, a beach cleaning guidebook. Again, when in doubt, it's always about beach cleaning. And one of the audience members was involved in TED and TEDx and heard me and invited me to do a TEDx talk. So that's, well, it was supposed to be actually, I don't know, last week or this week. I think last week. And of course, with coronavirus and everything, throwing a wrench into all sorts of works, that got canceled, the live event at least, but they wanted to continue it and do it remotely. So that should be coming up soon. Of course, I'll let everybody know when that, airs. So I'm very excited about that we're going to be able to do that remotely again. And so as part of that, we were told that we would get TED in a box, as you can see here. I'm not entirely sure what's in here. It was sent priority mail, so it must be something good. I know they were working on sending out like audio visual stuff. Obviously, I already have some equipment here, so we should be pretty good for our own recording, but I think they were sending some other things too. So very curious and very excited to see what's in the box. So let's open it up together and see what we unveil. Give me a moment here. I'll probably make a montage for this. Whoa, this is very exciting. Holy cow. Oh my God. What in the world? Okay, there are some goodies in here for sure. Oh, Jesus. All right, so we have, what do we have? First of all, we have a TEDx pen. Very nice. I was actually looking for a pen earlier today, so that works perfectly. This seems like the big feature piece here. Can't even show myself over this. I guess this will be like a backdrop for when I record. This is nice material too. Wow. I wonder if they want it back because my instinct is to think that I could probably refashion this into a really nice bag to use for beach cleaning. Because it's pretty solid, some sort of plastic. And I'm sure as heck not throwing it out. So if they want it back, they can have it back. But otherwise, I could make a sick bag out of this with just maybe a little bit of duct tape or something. So the beach cleaning wheels are always turning. Let's see what else we have. Oh, cool. Camera arm. That will come in handy for when record. Can put a phone or camera, which I have. Oh my God, it comes with a bag. Oh, look at this. That is, I don't know if you guys at TED want to hear this, but this is a beautiful bag for beach cleaning, for daily beach cleaning. And I really mean that because you can use it as sort of like a backpack type thing that you just kind of sling over your shoulder. Most cloth bags that you just sort of carry, you kind of carry it around. This gives you just a little bit more variability if you were to beach clean with it. I don't know if that's obviously the intention with something like this, but that may be what I use it for. Hold up. There's some other things here. This is great. This is like Christmas. Well, actually, my birthday is next week, so well, I wanted to know what's in it, but if I had waited a few more days. So I'm just going to call this an early birthday presents. What else do we have? I think this is temporary tattoos. Kind of cool. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It says eco-friendly, compostable. I like the sound of this. I'll have to play with that later. Oh, and this is just a description. Oh, some recording advice. Yeah. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, this is just some guidelines for when I do record. Very nice. Oh, cool. Got a nice little pin. Look at that. I've been getting another friend of mine gave me a pin recently. I guess pins are in. What in the world is this? Oh my god, what is happening here? Oh wow. Oh, this is really cool. It's like a to-go. They're to-go. Oh, utensils. Oh, I actually really wanted these because I'm the type of lunatic who doesn't like, using disposable. It's not lunatic to not want to use disposable cutlery, but it's a little bizarre to some people when you start bringing your own cutlery around, like, metal stuff to the cafe or something. And that's what this is. We got chopsticks, knife, fork, spoon. I'm good to go. That is really cool. This is actually wildly relevant stuff for what for my life habits anyways, which is really cool. And then we have a little envelope here with my name on it. This is a nice envelope too. This is quality stuff. I'm not used to quality stuff. So this is nice. Oh, it's a thank you card, a big thank you card. That's very nice. Okay. Oh, and it's a personal note. I don't know if I should read the personal note. Should I read the personal note? I suppose I've come too far. Well, it just basically says, I'll summarize. It says, Dear Joe, basically, thank you for joining us, sticking with us, and can't wait to, see your talk based on environmental efforts. So it's personalized, which is fantastic. That's so cool. Wow. That's pretty nice. That's early Christmas for me, or early birthday for me. So very, very nice, very thoughtful, and very useful. I will definitely be enjoying these gifts. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated on when that talk posts via my social media. So like I said, probably in the next couple weeks we'll record it, or I'll record it. Then we send it in for editing. They do their thing. So probably won't air for another, I really have no idea on the timeline, but I would assume at least a couple weeks or a few weeks at least. But rest assured, I'll certainly share updates moving forward. So big thank you to Ted and TEDx. Really fantastic. I'm so excited that, we're able to do this remotely and virtually, and yeah, really looking forward to it. So until next time. I don't know why I said till next time. But these will be nice when things open up again to take out. So yeah. Wow. Really cool. So thank you. Yeah, thank you everybody who sent me this stuff. And yeah. Take care. See you soon in the talk.